Day 9 in the trial against the Massachusetts mother who admitted to killing her 3 children back in 2023. In court again today, Lindsay Clancy's mental well-being front and center. Jurors hearing from 2 psychiatrists who treated Clancy prior to the murders. CBS News Boston's Kristina is live outside that courthouse. She joins us now. So what did doctors have to say about Clancy's mental status before those murders?
Well, Reed, we heard from 2 doctors this morning, one of whom saw Lindsay in September of 2022. So that's about 4 months before the murders occurred. She was the first psychiatrist to see Lindsay in this period of time. And she said that she diagnosed Lindsay Clancy with generalized anxiety disorder and also some depressive symptoms, but not depression. She said Lindsay was reluctant but willing to take a Zoloft prescription that she gave her. And she said there were no concerns at the time about anything suicidal or homicidal. Jurors also heard from a psychiatrist who treated Lindsay in early January 2023, so that's just 3 weeks before the murders, at an inpatient facility. She said at the time that there had been, by that point, some suicidal concerns, but that Lindsay Clancy had self-reported that she had no intent or plan to ever commit suicide or harm herself, and her reasoning was because of her children and her mother.
There was also that tense moment between attorneys today over an alleged hot mic moment during Thursday's testimony. Get us caught up to speed. What happened there?
Yeah, this was really odd. There are really tensions boiling over at this point in the trial. So what happened is before jurors came back after a brief break, so jurors weren't in the room, the defense attorney said he wanted to bring something to the attention of the judge in open court, and he claimed that prosecutors had been caught on a hot mic the day prior and he had just learned about it. Here's that interaction.
All right, let me get the witness on the back on the stand.
Your Honor, first of all, I want to raise an issue with you. And I think it's really... No, I don't want to go to the sidebar. I really don't want to go to the sidebar.
I need to know what you're going to talk about before...
I want to tell you that they got picked up on a hot mic saying, shut her up, during the playing of that autopsy.
All right.
This is not like Handmaid's Tales where you're going to tape them out.
I'm not doing that at all. I just want to find out what the issue is. There's a lot of privileged issues, and then you can tell me that.
So this was referencing a moment during testimony on Thursday morning when a medical examiner was testifying about an autopsy, and Lindsay Clancy was loudly sobbing. Her defense attorney claims that on a hot mic, prosecutors can be heard saying, shut her up. We have not confirmed whether they actually said that or not, but the judge then warned everyone in the courtroom if any inappropriate comments are made. He said, no yellow cards, you're getting thrown out for the rest of trial.
Wow. Kristina, thank you so much.